Good morning and welcome to Stock Starters. Welcome to our market recap for August 18th, 2020. If you take a look at your daily chart here of the Invesco Qs, because that is what we trade at Stock Starters, we trade one stock so that our traders become familiar with the stock and the patterns. If you take a look at our chart here, we have our daily candle, this green candle of yesterday of August 17th. We had a very strong update and we reached a new high. Here was your previous high, so we broke through. Now, for our swing traders, we would simply set our stop loss below the low of yesterday. Join us at Stock Starters to find out exactly where we set our stop loss, and we will allow our trade to run. However, if you take a look at your pre-market trading, we're actually up $1.25 in pre-market. Now, some traders like to take profit first thing in the morning. Others who do not have the time to be hands-on will possibly let it run. Or you could take it in the morning and then check back in the afternoon to see if the trend is continuing. However, if anything happens, your stop loss is here. So just to go back a few days ago, August 11th, the stock reached a new high. There was a pullback. For our swing traders, if we trade the stock, we know that it bounced a lot off of the 20-minute moving average. So we swing, trying to retrace to the previous high. Once it got here, it pulled back a little bit, did not break below the stop loss, and yesterday was an update. This morning is an update, but that does not mean it's going to end in an up day by the end of the closing day. So it may actually be up in the morning and down in the afternoon. That's why it is important for you to set your stop loss to lock in profit that you've previously earned. This blue box and arrow indicates the profit that you would have earned if you were able to get into the swing and swing from the bounce off the 20 up to the previous high. Now, my profit target for future gains is at resistance 2. Does that mean it is going to go to 283.50? No, not necessarily. But you can continue to take profit along the way if you want to, or just simply set your stop loss if you do not have the time to get in every day, if you don't have the time to intraday trade. So you can join us at StockStarters.com for all of your trading needs. If you have any questions, if you need to interact with our professional traders, they are there to help you. Please feel free to join us. Again, the website is www.stockstarters.com. And this concludes our market analysis.